We are pleased to show you the 2020 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, compass, outside temperature gauge, brake assist, 4-piece floor mat set. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.